Casey Cakes. I was born to dance, and I love to make sweet treats. What should we make today? How about strawberry cheesecake milkshake? This is what we'll need: ice cream, milk, graham cracker, cream cheese frosting, and last but not least, some strawberry topping. Now let's make our milkshake. Poof! Whoa! Look at our ingredients. Now let's put it together. First, let's add in our ice cream. That was really delicious. Now, let's add our milk. Oh, I love milk. This is my favorite part. Now that we're done adding our milk, let's add in our cream cheese. Oh, guys, I love cream cheese frosting. If you like cream cheese frosting also, write it in the comments. We got our cream cheese frosting in. Now, let's add in our strawberry topping. That looks so good. I just can't stand it. Okay, now we add in our graham cracker. Now that we added in our graham cracker, now let's mix our milkshake. Oh, this is gonna be so yummy. I just can't wait. Wait, we need adult supervision. Oh, Mr. Pig, I need a little help. I need help pouring in the milkshake into the cup. Ooh, this looks so delicious, kids. This is gonna be yummy. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Now, let's add some whipped cream. Now that's enough. Then we'll add our cherry on top. Now, let's add our graham crackers. 1 and a 2. Now it's time to taste it. This is so scrumptious. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And stay sweet. I'll see you later, kids.